Coming Out Trans Later in Life by Queen Angela. Gender dysphoria is a term that describes a sense of unease that a person may have because of mismatch between their biological sex and their gender identity. This sense of unease or dissatisfaction may be so uneasy that can lead to depression or anxiety and have a harmful impact on their daily life. The symptoms of gender dysphoria. Gender identity conflicts with your biological sex, comfortable only when the gender role of your preferred gender identity. A strong desire to hide or to be rid of physical signs of your biological sex, such as breasts or facial hair. Yes, you can have the same access to same medical and non-medical gender affirming procedures such as people affirmed earlier. How do you know when a wrong pronoun is used to describe you, for example? For example, when somebody is calling you he and you want to be called she, or when you feel like you're in the wrong body type, when you feel like you're really a she and you're really when you're in a he body. Can gender dysphoria go away? No, generally dysphoria doesn't go, gender dysphoria go away. It does not go away. Not with counseling. Some believe that there can be psychological counseling. Some believe that there can be ministerial counseling, such as the Bible can counsel away, such as that there are demons within you. This is simply not true. If someone's telling you that there are demons within you, please try to tell them that this is not true. The Bible does not say this at all. The Bible actually says to honor thy neighbors. Please, if you like my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'm here for you. I want everybody to leave comments in the comments section. If you subscribe to my channel, smash the subscribe button and leave a comment. Comment your questions in this comments section below, and I'll try to answer your questions in the following subsequent videos in the series that I'm going to be posting on my videos. Can gender dysphoria be a phase? Gender dysphoria is a serious and persistent condition, psychiatrically distinguishable from other issues of gender expression or confusion or sexual orientation that may normally occur during childhood or adolescence. What causes gender dysphoria? The exact causes of gender dysphoria are not completely understood, but several different factors may play a role. Genetics, hormonal influence during prenatal development, and environmental factors may be involved. The onset of gender dysphoria is often during early childhood. What age can child choose their gender? Most children typically develop the ability to recognize and label stereotypical gender groups such as girl, woman, and feminine, a boy, man, and masculine between ages 18 and 24 months. Most adults also categorize their own gender by 3 years. Can puberty cause gender dysphoria? Additionally, while some transgendered adolescents have shown gender nonconformity during early childhood, other adolescents might experience gender dysphoria during and after the onset of pubertal physical changes. Some adolescents may have kept their gender incongruence to themselves for a long time. Can you change your gender without surgery? Most transgender people transition without using hormones or surgery. Non-medical options include living as your gender identity. This includes changing your clothing, name, and other things, speech, and other things. I've chosen to use hormones. This includes going to a counselor. I had 5 sessions with the counselor. They do a assessment. After the assessment, they write a letter. The letter is presented to a medical doctor. The medical doctor then prescribes me hormones. I've been on hormones for 4 to 5 months now. The hormones have softened my skin. It changes the fat deposits in my face. My hair has become softer. My skin has become softer. My breasts have slowly developed bigger. I'll probably only be able to develop an A-cup breast after 6 months and up to 2 years. It will not change my voice. I can change my voice just by using my voice to change my voice. However, I can try to change my voice just by using my own speech development. There are voice lessons that I can take in order to try to change my voice. I don't think there's a surgery that can actually change my voice, although I'm unsure. I haven't really looked into it. You can get an Adam's apple surgery to get rid of your Adam's apple, but that doesn't change your voice. How does gender dysphoria affect teens? Teens often suffer from depression and psychiatric disorders. I certainly suffered from psychiatric disorders as a teen. I don't know if it was from gender dysphoria per se, but I did undergo major psychiatric disorder and criminal behavior. I'm still unsure if it was because of my gender dysphoria, but I think it probably was. I had my first experience with a man when I was 21, and afterwards I was with a woman and I had a son, and I ended up in a mental hospital. At the age of 23, and it probably had a lot to do with the fact that I was still in the closet. I didn't come out as a transgender until I was 46. Gender dysphoria, can it go away after puberty? The feeling that the body one is born in doesn't conform to one's sense of gender identity may dissipate as kids get older. There is a gender dysphoria test. If you look up on the internet, there are questionnaires. If you go to a counselor and do the assessment, they ask you a series of questions over the assessment. It's 5 sessions. However, if you haven't made up in your mind that you wish to be gender dysphoria, if you wish that you want to change, and you want to change it and you want to get bottom surgery, and there's nothing that they can say. You have to tell them that you want to change. You tell them that you wish to be, tell the medical doctor that you want to be put on the list, and it's quite a long wait list unless you want to pay for it for yourself. It's between $20,000 and $24,000, although most healthcare systems in the state or the province that you live in will cover it. If you're a candidate, like I said, if you wish to do it, there's nothing they can say. You could tell them you wish to do it, and no matter what the psychologist says, they have to tell you that you are a candidate, no matter what your answers to any of the questions are. I'm sure if you're telling them that you want to be a candidate, that your questions will be suitable. So anyway, like and subscribe, and make sure you ask me any questions in the comments. I'll be sure to answer all your questions. Even some negative comments, I'll be sure to comment back and answer all your comments. Please feel free to comment. I don't mind comments. The negative ones are obviously not appreciated, but I shouldn't say that. I've had some negative comments lately, but you're free to your own opinions. I don't know why you watch it, but everybody's open. Sigmund Freud says that everyone is bisexual, each to their own various degree, probably. Everybody has their own views. Probably people want to watch things for their own ideas and get their own views on different things. So make sure you subscribe, check out my future videos. I'm just getting started on my talks. This is going to be a long series. I plan to post a lot of videos in the near future. I've only posted about 4 or 5 videos. I'm planning on posting at least 30 videos in the very near future, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see them. Thank you very much. Talk to you very soon. Make sure you subscribe.